So welcome to another Chris show. Make sure you subscribe. You have notification bell turned on for all my videos, so as soon as I drop a video, you could like and participate in the comment section. Unfortunately for today, I'm going to be talking about some sad news. If you haven't heard by now, Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg has died at the age of 87. She passed away. She was fighting pancreatic cancer for much of the year. She was fighting and holding on, but like I said, unfortunately she passed today. Ginsburg was appointed in 1993 by Bill Clinton, and she was known as a progressive Supreme Court justice. She had a hand in some important rights like abortion, voting rights, same-sex marriage, and all of those important cases we've voted over the years. And that's where we're going to start talking into how this plays into America. If you don't remember, in 2016, when Barack Obama was trying to appoint a Supreme Court justice in Garland, but the Senate, which was majority Republican, turned it down, Mitch McConnell, I'm going to read it quote for quote what he said. The American people should have a voice in the selection of the next Supreme Court justice. Therefore, this vacancy should not be filled until we have a new president. So Mitch McConnell's saying that in 2016, but now we come to 2020. Now that we have a president that he likes and he backs, he's talking about they're going to try and do their best to vote in the Supreme Court justice as soon as possible. So, you know, he's being a hypocrite, going against everything he said. But now I'm going to go into, will that happen or will it not happen? So it comes down to whether or not 4 Republicans were opposed to vote for the Supreme Court justice. We'll see if that transpires. Mitch Romney's already said he will oppose it. There's talks of maybe 2 or 3 more. Like I said, that's a wait and see. When that happens, I will give you that news. But just so you guys know, just like when I said earlier in the video, he said the American people should decide the next Supreme Court justice. Well, his first announcement post RGB's death is that the Senate will hold the vote for any Supreme Court justice that Donald Trump decides to nominate. Completely going back on his words of what he said with Obama in 2016, but that's just politics. These people say one thing and then it's another. Let's hope 4 Republicans have the decency to actually not vote for this and show that they're not hypocritical, but who knows with them. But there also is some solutions if that happens, because if Joe Biden and Kamala do win in November, then what they can do as a solution to that is called pack the court, which they would up the Supreme Court to 11 instead of 9, and then they would be able to appoint 2 themselves. So if Trump and Mitch McConnell and these Republicans are going to play dirty, then the Democrats need to play dirty back. And I don't know, I mean, politics, it's so, they say one thing, then it's another, but it's cool if it's for your boy, but if it's not, then it's not, and then people are just going to agree one way or another. Like I said, I'm not going to be a person, Democrats aren't always right or always perfect, and you know what I'm saying, but when it comes to this Trump stuff, this isn't politics. This is human decency. This is human decency versus being a piece of shit. So politics has just gotten way off the wall, way off the hinge. It's not what people are used to. Like, even certain diehard Republicans are saying this isn't the party I'm used to, and this just isn't how politics is supposed to be. Hopefully one day we can get back to where it was, but as of right now, we're more divided than ever. You can just see anytime any news happen, there's one opinion and there's one opinion the other, and no one sees the other side. It's just America's divided. So we'll see. Like I said, I'll give you guys more information on the Supreme Court, if the vote is successful or not, and who Trump appoints, and if the person, just know if Trump's actually able to appoint someone, like, they're gonna try and get rid of abortion, they're gonna try and get rid of some of the same-sex marriage rights, they're gonna be attacking a lot of things that have been building up over the years. So you guys do need to be aware. You need to vote because your opinion needs to be heard. So you guys let me know in the comment section. Do you think Trump's actually going to be able to appoint in the Supreme Court justice? Do you think 4 Republicans will actually withhold from voting? Or if they do actually get it through, do you see Joe Biden and Kamala packing the court if they do win? And if Trump wins in November, then obviously none of this matters because he would be able to appoint the person. He has 4 years to do it. So yeah, I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. But I wanted to give you guys the information about RGB's death and what it means for America and its upcoming future. But as you know, of Chris, I'm going to give you the news, whether it's good news, bad news, sad news, whether it's today, tomorrow, a week or 2 from now. So you need to make sure you subscribe, you have notification bell for all my videos. If you like this video, share this video with a friend. This Chris, I'm out this motherfucker.